fail today, so we're doing some Hardie Plank siding, and I thought I'd just give everyone maybe some helpful tips about installing this. So I got my piece of Hardie Plank that was left over from something. So they say when installing it to do a starter strip about 1.25 inches. So I'm going with 1.5 inches because when you do the blade widths and stuff like that, it cuts a little bit off anyway. And so it's just like a 1.5 foot long piece here, scrap piece. So I measured 1.5 inches, and then I have this little section over here that's left. So I'm gonna just cut off this side here, and then just cut all these other strips out real quick, and that'll give us a bunch of starter pieces with just like, they said you leave gaps, because I just had this piece of scrap sitting in the yard. So I'm gonna use that. Another tip when cutting this stuff, lengthwise at least, I'm using just a regular saw blade, old saw blade that I had in the garage, and you don't need like a special saw blade. The stuff burns right through it. So maybe I'll show you real quick. And then what I've been using to cut just when I need to just cut it lengthwise real quick, I've just been using just a concrete cutting saw. It's like a sanding disc almost, and this has been cutting through that really easy as well. So a couple options that you can use if you don't want to go buy an expensive Hardie Plank or fiber cement cutting blade. I also had one of those. I think I just misplaced it, and it does work really well also. So yeah, I recommend those as well, but these are a lot cheaper, work just as good. I'll show you really quick, just cutting one piece here. That yeah, it works really well. Here we go. Put you over here. There you go. Ah, why are you falling? Okay, so I'm just gonna cut this one piece real quick. Show you that it cuts nice and easy. So there we have it. So just that slick. Works really good. Anyway, this will get you a bunch of starter pieces. And I have another scrap piece in the yard there. I'll probably cut that up in like 18-inch sections, so I can make some starter pieces from that as well. And they just go on your on the bottom part here, right into the, like, I got some tar paper hanging down here, but right where the bottom, I guess they call it, I don't know, this is like a tree house, so it's up in the air. But yeah, towards the bottom plate here, and then you got that trim here. So I'll just run a few pieces. I may make another video just showing step by step here, but yeah, run a starter piece about 18 inches, leave a little gap, do another starter piece, and yeah, so then you can just start your lap siding, because that'll give you a little lap at the base there to start on. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that helped you getting your starter pieces going, and also a tip with the blade there, you don't need a super expensive blade. You can use it pretty much any blade, it would seem like, and it seems to cut right through this stuff nice and easy. So thanks for watching. Hope that helped. Good luck with your projects out there, folks. Goodbye.